One last shape that I'm going to show you on this video is plaiting. And you will find that some residents, some participants immediately fall into plaiting. I've done some sessions where they've just automatically, with practice dough, started to plait because this is something that is very familiar to some of the participants. What we're going to do is a simple 3-strand plait, and we haven't got a great amount of dough here, so it's not going to be huge, and it'll be almost like a little plaited bun that they can take away and enjoy later in the day. So we're just going to cut this into 3 pretty equal parts, but again, we're not going to be too fussy. We're going to try and make the strands equal, but we're not going to worry too much about it being perfect. And we're just going to flatten it out a little bit, and then we're going to fold it over and press it down. And again, fold it and press it down. So we've got a nice seam. And then having done that, and I'll just put a little bit of flour on my hands, we're just going to roll it out. But we don't want it too long and thin. Just nice little fat sausage there. And we'll do the next 2. So fold it over and press it down. And when you talk to residents, participants, and you talk to them about plaiting, very often they will remember plaiting children's hair or siblings' hair. So it's quite a nice starting point for talking about memories of plaiting and how they used to have to do it in their earlier lives. So next we're going to, with a little aid of a little bit of flour, just roll that one out so that it's about the same length as the previous one. And I'll just quickly do this one. This is a little bit less, so they're a little bit uneven, these, but we're not going to be fussy about it. There we go. And we've got our 3 strands. Then what we're going to do is we're going to put them down, and I'll do this one upside down so that you can see what is happening. So this is the top of the plait, and we're just pinching it together. So get the residents to pinch the top of their strands together. Make sure they've really, really made it nice and sticky together. And all we're going to do is in turn take our plait strand on one side into the gap over the middle strand. So we'll take it over from that side, then over from that side, shifting this one out of the way, over and into the gap, over and into the gap, and we just keep going all the way down. And you will find that people might be hesitant at first, but once they get the hang of it, they really enjoy it, and they really do find it quite easy. So then we're just going to turn it round and gently roll it so that we've got a nice tight plait. And we're going to put that on our tray next to the love heart. And cover it with a cloth.